welcome to your midweek edition of Afternoon Express. I'm Palisa Tembe, and today we're focusing on the health issues that matter to us. Public health medicine specialist Dr. Corinne Beg will highlight the importance and the efficacy of face masks in reducing the droplet infection rates of COVID-19. Now, Black Friday is just around the corner. Let us know on social media. Do you have something special on your wish list? Use that hashtag Afternoon Express in all of your comments. Dumi, happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday, Palisa, and happy Wednesday, South Africa. One thing you should have on your list this Black Wednesday, is our Clover Nolak naan bread with a quick dal curry, as well as our 5 Roses 3-berry slushy by one of our viewers, Larice Jasmine. So you should definitely head over to afternoonexpress.co.za for those recipes. But over to you in the lounge, Palisa.
Thank you so much, Dumza. Now, the Doctors Network is a local organization founded by medical doctor and businesswoman Dr. Nandipha and partners. This organization provides services to medical professionals who are committed to empowering and strengthening the work of healthcare workers in the country. They'll be hosting a Doctors Network United Against a Pandemic event. Joining us today to tell us all about it is the Doctors Network United Against the Pandemic event is Dr. Nandipha herself. Welcome back to the show, Doc.
Thank you for having me, Palisa. Good to be back again.
Doctor, you always come through with good news, and this sounds like such a special event to be a part of. But please just take us from the beginning of it. Help me understand, what is the Doctors Network, and what are the main objectives of the events that you're hosting on Friday?
So the Doctors Network, it's an academic, professional, social, as well as a support network for medical professionals. And particularly right now, during the pandemic and post-pandemic, we really want to uplift and empower frontline healthcare workers. And that's what the organization is about.
Yeah. So what work does the organization do? And what, more importantly, does the future look like for this organization?
Most importantly, right now, we're doing a mentorship program. And the mentorship program is for our students. And it's a nationwide mentorship program that we have planned and are very happy to have launched. And we had our first mentorship program day where students, but it was in the Gauteng region, and we would actually like to make it broad and actually infiltrate all the other provinces as well. So currently that's one of the objectives that we've actually accomplished.
Stunning. I like that. That sounds so exciting, and like something that so many people want to be a part of. And a way of doing that is that you were hosting an event on Friday. Now, I'm very excited about this United Against a Pandemic event. Now, I want to find out who is speaking at this event, who is that star-studded lineup. I know you always have such powerful women speaking at your events. And what is the main objective of the event as well?
So the event is called United Against a Pandemic. I think it's time that healthcare professionals come together and actually support each other during this global crisis. And the main objective is that we've got different topics that the speakers are going to be talking about. So one of the topics is the impact of COVID-19 on young professionals. We're also going to be talking about the liberation of doctors. We're going to be talking about my life over a PPE, which is one of the topics, and I think it's very important right now. And we're going to be talking about the empowerment of healthcare workers. So we're really, really excited to be engaging and actually opening that dialogue amongst us professionals.
Absolutely. And we're taking this conversation a step further and opening it up to mentorship. I know that the program also definitely believes in nurturing those students that you speak of. So tell me all about this.
I think, Palisa, I'm really passionate about mentorship, and I think it's because of the history that it has, and it's very close to my heart. I know as a young medical student, we lacked mentorship programs, we lacked mentors. So Doctors Network started the mentorship program, and we're really, really excited to bring medical professionals to actually mentor students in a very protected and supportive environment.
Wow, that sounds like something very exciting to be a part of. And I know a lot of South Africans want to get involved, so how are they able to do so?
They can definitely contact us. So we've got a website that you can actually go see and you can visit, and you can also email us, and we are on different social media platforms. You can find us on Twitter, on LinkedIn, as well as any other social media that's there.
I love that. And we have all that information right now below on the screen, so you can access it at your delight. So that sounds stunning. Thank you so much, Dr. Nandipha. I'm looking forward to Friday. I know that you're going to be all the way up in Johannesburg, and you are opening this event up so anyone can get involved. involved?
Definitely, we just encourage even the general public, they're allowed to come, to hear the conversation, to engage, to network as well. And I'm really encouraging students to also come through. So we've got a group of students that are coming through to network with the doctors at the event.
I'm looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Dr. Nandipa, for coming to Afternoon Express.
Thank you for having me, Palesa.
Now, if you want to be a part of the voice for healthcare professionals by partaking in this campaign, go and get your United Against a Pandemic ticket today. Visit www.doctorsnetwork.co.za or email info@doctorsnetwork.co.za for more information and ticket purchases. You can also call 010-226-9048. All the proceeds from the tickets of the event will be used towards purchasing PPE for healthcare frontliners and also will be contributing to the organization's medical bursary fund.